Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science in online lecture series of semester 6th, paper number 15, Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperative and Extension. In this paper number 15, we have completed the important units, important aspects, that is fishery economics, different aspects of fishery economics such as demand, supply, terms in economics, then law of demand, law of supply. Then in next unit we have see that fish marketing. In this fish marketing, traditional fish market, modern fish market, facilitating functions, then selling, buying, assembling, then storage, distribution. All these various aspects, these are to be seen in this. Then unit third we have seen, that is the cooperative societies in India, study of fish cooperatives in India. And in this third unit, the important point which is to be our study up to here. In last period we have completed, we have seen, that is the organs of cooperative. In these organs of cooperative, first organ, that is president, second organ vice president, third organ, that is the director. Which are the skills of president, what is the responsibilities of president, and what is the duties of president. Same condition, which are the skill of vice president, what is the duties of vice president, and which are the role of or responsibilities of vice president. Similarly, director, what is the role of director, who can make the director, what is the criteria to making the director. All of these points, these are to be seen in last few parts, few period. Now in today we have seen the next important organs of cooperative, that is the treasurer. It is the fourth important organ and is the backbone, basically, to support, to see the all financial conditions of the cooperative society. Treasurer is important, treasurer is most useful, and that's why it is the key role to perform activities in the cooperative society, that is the treasurer. Why this treasurer? These are to be important. A treasurer is a person responsible for running the treasury of an organization. आर्थिक व्यवहार ज्याला म्हणतो किंवा आर्थिक कंडिशन ज्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, वित्त विभाग. ऑल दीज ट्रेझरर इज द पर्सन रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर रनिंग द ट्रेझरी ऑफ एन ऑर्गनायझेशन. द ट्रेझरर, द सिग्निफिकंट कोर फंक्शन्स ऑफ ए कोऑपरेटिव ट्रेझरर, द सिग्निफिकंट कोर फंक्शन्स ऑफ ए कोऑपरेटिव or corporate treasurer include cash and liquidity management, risk management and corporate finance. Means what is the duties of these treasurer? This treasurer, these are to be important, these are to be perform a corporate treasurer include cash and liquidity management, रोखे व्यवहार, लेखी रोखे व्यवहार and cash व्यवहार, risk management and corporate finance. Treasurer is the head of the corporate treasury department. Treasurer is the head of the corporate treasury department. They are typically responsible for liquidity risk. They are typically responsible for liquidity risk management, cash management, issuing debit, foreign exchange and interest rate risk headings, and securitization or the scrutinization, oversight of pension, investment management and capital structure including share, insurance and repurchase. That is the, what is the duties of this treasurer? This treasurer is the head of the corporate treasury department. They are typically responsible for liquidity risk management. First, liquidity risk management. Second, cash management. Third, issuing debit, foreign exchange and interest rate risk headings, Securities are scrutinization, override of pension, investment management, capital structure including shares insurance, including share, including repurchase. All these duties these are to be performed by the treasurer. They also typically advise the corporation on matters relating to the corporate finance. Treasurer also typically advise the corporation on matters relating to the corporate finance. They could also have oversight. They could also have oversight of other areas such as the purchase of insurance. This treasurer also could also have a oversight of other areas such as the purchase of insurance. Treasurer is an officer of an government. Treasurer is an officer of an government, corporation. Treasurer is an officer of association or the like, in charge of the receipt, care and disbursement of money. Means this treasurer, these are to be important, these are to be most useful because it is the head of the treasury department, finance department, and treasurer is an officer of a government, in corporation, in association, and this treasurer these are to be in charge of the receipt. Treasurer is in charge of care. Treasurer is the disbursement of money. Means those are the financial conditions, those are the liquidity risk, those are the cash management, foreign exchange, then interest rate. All these structures these are to be maintained, these are to be performed by the treasurer, and that's why treasurer is important in a cooperative society. To the oversight of these areas, oversight of these sectors, this treasurer these are to be important, this treasurer these are to be play a significant role in the sector of the finance, in the important structure of the finance. Then key role of the treasurer. What is the key role of treasurer? Maintains permanent records. Treasurer is to be key role. What is the key role? Maintains permanent record to track unit funds and financial transactions. जे काही कोऑपरेटिव्ह सेक्टरमध्ये फायनान्शियल ट्रान्झॅक्शन होतील, रोखीचे देणी घेणी होईल, रोखीचे व्यवहार होतील, देवघेव व्यवहार होईल, ऑल दीज रेकॉर्ड दीज आर टू बी मेंटेनिंग. पैसा आला कुठून, गेला कुठे, आवक आणि जावक त्याला आपण म्हणतो. मेंटेन्स परमनंट रेकॉर्ड्स टू ट्रॅक युनिट फंड्स, फायनान्शियल ट्रान्झॅक्शन्स, chair budgets committee. This treasurer these are to be role chair budget committee and prepares annual budget for adoption of the association. To prepare the annual budget, which are the investment, which are the purchase, which are how money these are to be collected, how money these are to be goes, pays all cooperative societies bill as authorized by board of association. What is another duties of this treasurer? Pays all cooperative societies bill as authorized by board or association. बोर्डच्या तर्फे किंवा असोसिएशनतर्फे कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीच्या वतीने टू पे द बिल्स ऑफ ऑल कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटी. इट इज द ड्युटीज ऑफ द कोऑपरेटिव्ह ट्रेझरर. प्रिपेअर्स रिपोर्ट फॉर एव्हरी बोर्ड, prepares report for every board and association meeting and an annual financial report. This can be prepared, this can be made by the treasurer. Means treasurer prepares report for every board and association meeting and an annual financial report. Ensure taxes and reports. Ensure taxes and report required by cooperative society, by laws, by insurance or federal and state governments are completed and submitted by the due dates. Means according to the cooperative society, ensure taxes and reports required by cooperative society, by laws, insurance or federal and state government are completed and submitted by the due dates. Those are the due date to pay the fees. Those are the due date to pay the amounts financial in favor of cooperative society, in favor of cooperative sector. All these duties these are to be performed. That is maintaining, ensure taxes these are to be cut down, report for the taxes, bylaws of the taxes, insurance or federal state government insurance, policies, all these are to be maintaining by the treasurer. Maintaining contact with banks and other financial institutions dealing with credit, to maintain the contact with banks, to maintain the contact with other financial institutes, to maintain the contact with financial suppliers, to maintain the contact with dealing with credit cards. Those give the credit on number of occasions, number of different customs. Collecting money and paying debits on behalf of the cooperative. Collecting money, कोऑपरेटिवच्या वतीने पैसे गोळा करणे, टू कलेक्ट मनी, अँड पेईंग डेबिट, कोऑपरेटिव्ह सोसायटीच्या वतीने पैसे जमा करणे, पैसे डेबिट करणे किंवा पैसे वाटप करणे. दिस इज द ड्युटीज रोल ऑफ द ट्रेझरर. मंथली अँड ॲन्युअल फायनान्शियल प्लॅनिंग. मंथली प्लॅनिंग, हाऊ द मनी दीज आर टू बी अर्न, फेअर मनी दीज आर टू बी गोज, फेअर मनी दीज आर टू बी गोज मीन्स monthly planning, annual planning, these are to be performed by the these treasurer and his treasurer. These are to be important, these are to be most useful. These roles, these are to be performing, these are to be done. Monthly and annual financial planning. Supervising matters of cooperative society members insurance, to supervise the matters of cooperative society members insurance. Those members take insurance, those members renewal insurance, those members, these are to be arise new, to draw the insurance of from that member. Means members annual fees collection and contribution, annual fee collection of members and their contribution, annual collection of fees and their contribution, all these are to be collected. Means these treasurer, these are to be in charge of the finance department, in charge of the money section. That's why chair budget committee and prepare annual budget, prepare monthly budget, prepare report for every board association and annual financial report, then ensure taxes, insurance report, maintaining contact with bank and other financial insurance, then collecting money. All these duties, these are to be performed by the treasurer. Means monthly and annual financial planning, supervising matters of cooperative society, members insurance, member annual fee collection and contribution. All these duties, these are to be performed by the treasurers. Then treasurer, these are to be getting started. When a treasurer, these are to be getting started. That is preparation, review, files and financial records. Preparation, review files and financial records from the last term to better understand the scope of your new position. The materials should be included by these treasurers. Which are the materials in which treasurer, these are to be keep its record update. Number 1, treasurer's book, it is called as ledger book. Treasurer's sheet, it is called as treasurer sheet or it is called as khata book. In this khata book, all records, these are to be maintained updating. That's why treasurer's book, khata book or ledger book is the important or first book in which treasurer, these are to be point out daily notes. Checkbook for cooperative society, accordance with the cooperative sector, on behalf of cooperative society, treasurer, these are to be used the checkbook. Check endurance statement stamp, that is those are the stamp which is to be prepared by in favor of cooperative society. That check endorsement stamp, these are to be if available by the cooperative society. Then receipt book, to collect the receipt, when receipt, these are to be collected. This book, these are to be used. Remittance form, to transfer money to council and district treasurer, means those are the forms, these are to be available to transfer the money for the treasury office in a district level, in a state level. That form is to be kept in place of the treasurer. Monthly treasurer reports, annual financial reports and budget report, all these activities, all these forms, these are to be easily available in place of the treasurers. Federal and state tax records and government fillings, again those are the records, these are the taxes, these are to be deducted, those are the taxes, these are to be applied by the members. All these federal and state taxes record and governmental filling forms, these are to be available and these are to be kept in place of the treasurers. That's why treasurers, these are to be perform that duties. Schedule meeting, treasurer, whenever these are to be need, the treasurer should be arrange the meeting, and this meeting schedule these are to be supplied to president, supplied to vice president, directors, members, co-members and other invitee members. These are to be done. Meet with other incoming board members such as the president, secretary, financial secretary, auditors, to talk about how you can work effectively together, check the toolkits. These these are to be checking by the finance treasurer. Check the toolkits, finance chapter, to learn more about how does and what happening and what handling, to keep the recording and tracking cooperative society funds detail and update all these record, all these toolkits, all these financial meetings. These are to be done, these are to be performed by these cooperative sector treasurer, and that's why this treasurer, these are to be important. These are, yes, scheduled meeting, meet with other incoming board members such as the president, secretary, vice president, financial secretary, auditors, and to talk about all these members on behalf of the cooperative society together, to check the toolkits, finance chapter, to learn more about who does, what does, how does, handling of these records and taking the update record. It can be done by these treasurer. Provide information to the board, elect on how to collect and count on cooperative society funds and how to file expenses using best practices, procedures. A treasurer elect arrange to meet with the budget committee to prepare a budget as a financial plan for the upcoming cooperative societies year. Means these treasurer, these are to be performed all these conditions. Treasurer elect arrange to meet with the budget committee to prepare the budget as a financial plan for upcoming year, which are the probable budget or budgetary provision. These are to be done by the treasurer. All cooperative society members share a fiduciary responsibility. All cooperative society members share a fiduciary responsibility to manage cooperative society money as well as on behalf of the association, and this work is to be done by treasurer. And as one as of 3 required officers for a cooperative society, as one as 3 required officers for a cooperative society. Treasurer is the authorized custodian. Treasurer is the authorized custodian of cooperative society funds, and all funds update and their record, these are to be put by these treasurers. Hence, treasurer is the all cooperative society members share a fiduciary responsibility and to manage the cooperative society day-to-day activity and monthly activity. Start the year right by getting organized. Start the year right by getting organized. Create a filing system to maintain and manage financial record. To maintain and manage financial record such as invoice, receipts and authorizations of payment. Means those employees given payment, how payment these are to be collect, where money these are to be come and how money these are to be go. Means avak and zavak. These conditions these are to be performed, these are to be done by these members. Remember to use cooperative society. Remember to use cooperative society policies, procedures and best practices for handling financial transactions. This will help to ensure good management of a cooperative society funds. Means they remember to use cooperative society policies, procedures and best practices for handling financial transactions. This will help to ensure good management of cooperative society funds and to sustain the financial health of a unit of a cooperative society. The treasurer work regularly on the following tasks. These treasurer, these are to be work daily. Treasurer, these are to be work regularly on the financial assistance, and that's why to sustain the financial development, to sustain the financial health, treasurer is active, brilliant and working efficiently. Treasurer is active, brilliant and working efficiently then and then to maintain the records of treasury office, to maintain the record of cooperative society. Hence, treasurer is the important organs of cooperative. It is the backbone of financial condition, and hence in a cooperative society, treasurer is a important organ, and this organ these are to be put and make update records, update documentary records, those which is to be performed by the cooperative society. Up to here we have seen the just the treasurer and its duties. In next page we have seen the next part. Thank you all of you.